Good morning to all of you. Okay, now we are going to introduce. So try to sit some physical distance you try to maintain. Okay. And all the students who are in the online, around 250 students who are in the online. Am I audible for all of you? Can you please confirm it? All of you should type in your chat window. If you are able to hear me, say that as, say the message as, right? So, okay, not visible. How can I visible, ma, when you are attending online? So if you want to see me, I'll start my video once you can see me, right? No problem. Okay, students, offline students, are you comfortable? Yeah. So let us start with, some of them started scribbling. Okay, let it be. Okay, students. So let us move to the further discussion. Now, today we are entering into the new batch Python programming, which includes this Python programming. What we are going to cover in this, I'm going to give you in the introduction session. What about this Python programming? What we are going to talk about it. So I'm going to talk about a few minutes about course coverage. Very carefully try to listen. Course coverage, the first point. And before that, I would like to give my introduction. Of course, I need not to give my introduction. That is called faculty introduction. I need not to give. And next, course coverage, what I'm going to cover. And later, who can learn this Python. And then what will be the job opportunities? That is called what type of jobs we can do. And then what my class covers, what my class deals with. This is what I'm going to discuss. And the course duration, I just want to take up in the class. Then after that, we will enter into the subject part. But the first topic, whether you feel demo or you feel regular session, it starts with real-time applications of Python. Beginning, real-time applications of Python. I just want to use it. Followed by subject discussion will be starting with. Okay. So before that, some student who has scribbled the screen. So to eliminate that S, which is visible on your screen, I have to end the meeting. If I end the meeting again, it will take some time, students. That's why I'm not going to close my meeting. I just want to continue. So please be careful, all of you, try to understand. So let us go to my introduction. I hope you, majority of the students who are there in the online and offline about me, you are already aware of it. I need not to give, but still some of the students may be not knowing. So my name, come on. So this is the name of mine and my qualification is in the highest degree in the entire computer science, that is called DA, Design and Analysis of Algorithms, because it is one of the extension to the subject of data structures. Maybe heard about data structures? Okay. The offline students and online students maybe heard about the subject called DA, Design and Analysis of Algorithms, which is a very, very, very important. Sit properly. Please come this side. I said that only. You sit there. Please sit there. Don't mind. Sit this side also. If you want comfortable, you can sit. Okay. It's a extension of data structures. And this is my research. And what is my job, which is already done? I have totally experience. First, let me tell you my job profile. I was joined as a software engineer. Later, I worked for a number of years as a TL, promoted as TL, now as a system analyst. Now that is comes under solution architect in the company called in iGate. Maybe you heard about it. iGate MNC Global. iGate MNC Global. As on today, it is called tie up with what? Capgemini. Capgemini now. Now, I worked in that company. That is only the first company and last company for me. I was there in the company called iGate MNC for the period of 20 years. From my beginning of the fresher level onwards, up to the last 2 years, up to the last 2.5 years, I can say, before the lockdown starts, before 3 years, I was there in the company. Then I resigned it because of lot of responsibilities and then lot of timing problems, because 20 years more than enough to work with a good position. Then later, I was there from the beginning of my industry level job. I was there in the Amirpet as a trainer also. Morning hours, I take the class and I will go to my company and I will come back and I will take the class in the evening after my company. And I used to, that is my profile. From the beginning onwards, it's my total experience as on today, 24 plus years of experience. And actually, I was a Java programmer from the beginning onwards. And in last 10 years onwards, I'm dealing with Python, because in our company, we are using Python with Java for some of the Twitter kind of account maintenance, for different type of application development. We are using Python also. In the last 7 years when I was in the company, last 3 years back, I came out, I said. And from the 10 years, I'm dealing with the Python. At the beginning of my career, I'm a Java professional actually. And from the last 10 years, I'm dealing with Python. Now, last 1 year, total Python. I left Java. Right. This is my technical profile. So it's my discussion, my classroom environment is not academic level of experiences. It's totally industry. It's totally industry-based application. And every class of mine, minimum 500 students will be there. It's a branded for Python in the entire Amirpet. And I don't want to boast about myself. And this made me to enter into the subject of data science. And this Python, what you people are getting in my class, is not a normal Python what people teach. It's purely what? Data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning. Might be you heard about all these things. So to do this artificial intelligence applications, data science applications, machine learning applications, deep learning applications, you need programming. Programming means I can say, so much of fear to the academic students. Not only fear for academic students, many of the people fear like anything when programming comes. But in my class, programming, I'm saying beginning only, writing on the top of the page and put it in the box. I will sign below to that my sentence. If you are very worst in programming, I will make you as an expert. Sir said what? If you are very poor in programming or worst in programming, I will make you as a wonderful expert in programming. Double quotes you write, keep it in the box. I will sign it. Provided 3 things you must do. Number 1, punctuality in attending my class. Number 1. Number 2, practicing my practical assignments. I will do the assignments in the class. I will explain logic building skills. Plus, I'm going to give you the assignment as a homework for you. These 3 things, if you do, there is a meaning for my sentence. Otherwise, there is no meaning. Okay. So I'll make you as an expert in my class in the Python programming. Provided these 3 conditions are important. These 3 conditions I will say in middle of my class, end of the class also. My sentence, I will keep my words as it is in my class, because I am not normal like everybody. It's something different. My class is different. I am different. Everything is different. Please try to see that unique lectures, unique explanation, unique practical knowledge, which is something totally different. If anybody want to take my signature on the top of it, anybody is very poor, worst in programming, I'll make as an just expert. Just expert. Provided the 3 conditions. Without reading, without practicing my examples, without doing the homework, we will not become perfect. One more thing I am saying, as a most experienced faculty, as a most experienced real-time programmer, without knowing programming knowledge, we never get the job. Jobs are there. I don't want to comment on other jobs. I want to comment on only programming, because my domain is programming. What are the higher capabilities, higher packages if you want to get in the industry? You need this type of things. Okay, students. So let me go to the further discussion now. So I hope my experiences is not a academics. What you have done in academics, I don't want to bother about it. And we know, all of us know what is academics. I will prove also what is academics. Within 2 minutes, I will prove it. I am also same like you when I was in academics. After entering into real time, I realized what is academics, what is real time. Okay. So all my examples are real time applications only. I will tell you the every application of mine is like a mini project. First and foremost doubt you will get it. Sir, will you do project as a part of this class? Every application of mine is called project only. Real-time applications, what we do in my project, the project which we do in the company for 1 year or 2 years, we can't do that in the class. But every part of my class, I will explain in the classroom. Like ATM application you see. That type of applications, many I will tell you. Restaurant management system, you take it. Library management system, you take it. I will develop those many number of applications in my class. Both online students, offline students, it is going to be same. As far as my class is concerned, there is no much difference between offline and online. There is no much difference. Okay. So whether it is online or offline, it is going to be same. There is no such difference. Okay. Right. Moreover, next term, I would like to talk about what my class deals with. What my class deals with. When you go to the internet, you can type my name. You can type my name. Beginning, you will get my name only, KV Rao Java. KV Rao Java. And you can see learning advanced Java. Amazon people also taking my notes, because I was developed a material. It was Amazon people are selling it out. And was, of course, it was a very old notes, very older version. Now I'm totally entered into anything you go for it. It is my notes only will be available. Everything, inches make champions and all. It's my classroom video. And you don't come and ask me, sir, do you have videos in of your class? Those who are keeping very good content, they will not keep any videos. The real-time coding will not be there in the internet. Real-time coding is different. Normal coding is different. Okay. So like that, you can go for any of the page if you go for it. So my notes will be available. And of course, don't feel that sir is boasting about his class. Yes, what I am going to deal with, you are not aware of it. Now that's why I'm going to deal with. Right. What my class deals with, I also want to take up. What my class deals with, that I want to give you. Because before entering into the subject, terms and conditions, what my class deals with, I have to give some information for you so that you will have some type of understanding levels. Yes. When I go to this class, sir will cover these many number of things. So the first skill, what my class deals with, which are required in the industry, what is required to become an expert in the industry. Number one, first point you need to remember, extraordinary programming skills are required. Extraordinary programming skills are required. Because without programming, some of the people are working in industry. They are saying, I am also working in software company. What they are doing? I'm not criticizing to somebody. They are doing documentation, taking MS Word printout, typing work and all those things. You are also working in Infosys. I am also working in Infosys. I am taking just to print out and documentation I am preparing. You are developing the code. Your salary is 1 lakh. My salary is 30,000. Both of them are there in the company only. There is a lot of demand for the coding people. It is a evergreen. If you ask a system, even artificial intelligence is coming. If you ask a robo, please give me a logic for calculating factorial of a number, it says, I don't know. Because my robo developer did not maintain the code for automatic code generators are not there. Understanding? Logic has to definitely designed by you. Logic has to be developed compulsory by you. That is the problem solving skills are compulsory for the student. Even in our Naresh IT, when we conducted the test for 100% job guaranteed program, the final stage after training by different people, in the final touch, I'm giving problem solving skills. I'm explaining what are the industry problems, how to analyze it, how to interpret, how to develop the problem solving skills. That's the most important and essential capability to understand in the classroom. Okay. So since I'm tailing beginning level from the 0 level going to 100%, I'm only explaining the total Python so that you are going to get extraordinary ultimate coding standards I'm going to give you. The first thing, extraordinary programming skills are required. And what is your programming knowledge? I don't know. And I don't want to question you and I don't want to disappoint you also. I will definitely make you to disappoint today only. I will ask some questions and you will answer. Okay. Shall I disappoint you once? Can I disappoint you once? Definitely I will. I have to. Right. Who are the MCA students here? Who are the MCA students? Please come on fast, all of you. Who are the MCA students in the classroom, offline as well as online? Please raise the hands, offline and online. I am observing everybody. Right. Come on, students. Yes, good. Offline students, MCA, good, good. BTech CSC students, because I need some survey in the class. Okay, good. Mechanical students, okay. Electronic students, very good. Okay, now CSC students first I will take it. Who are the CSC students? Please raise. Okay, okay. Are you sportive? Are you sportive? If I ask any question, will you feel bad on me? No. Tomorrow interview will ask na. If I don't ask question, tomorrow interview will ask the question or not? Will you feel bad that time? No. So you feel here only, learn the subject and go to interview. You will be the winner there. Okay, right. So I don't want to ask a particular student. I will ask a question. Definitely you try to answer it. I will open the chat box also for the students. Okay, ma. Pursuing MCA or what? I will talk about that. In today's class, I will give you just orientation without entering into the discussion of the in-depth subject knowledge. First, we will understand both of us. Who are you? Who am I? And what my class deals with and all those things. Okay, right. So first question to all of you. What is OS? What is OS? I'm asking some question. What is OS? Come on. Operating. Very good. Nobody will give job for you. Nobody will give job for you. You are saying only full form. Nobody will give 100%. Because you take a small LKG student, first class student you take. What is OS? You will also say operating system. You are also saying 22 years of age. You are also saying operating system. Am I correct? And you already felt very much disappointed. Nobody will give job means you felt very much disappointed. Who will give job first of all for you? We know only full forms. Not only you, I am also, when I was in my engineering, Usmani University, what is OS? Immediately, operating system. You'll say, get out. You explain what is the operating system for 15 minutes. You ask me about operating system, I will explain 25 days. Memory management, I will explain. Process management, I will explain. Secondary memory management, I will explain. Memory management algorithms, I will explain. Architecture of operating system, I will explain. 25 to 30 days, I will explain. Because not at the student level. After entering into industry, we learned it, what is reality. Okay, good. Next, what is www? Come on. Nobody will give job. Again, full form. World Wide Web. World Wide Web. World Wide Web. Only full forms. Not only anybody who is going on the road, ask what is www. Everybody will answer World Wide Web. But nobody will answer what is the meaning of it. From where this www has come. What is the importance of it? Why not x dot? Why not z dot? Why it is only? What is the meaning of it? What is an architecture of it? How it works? Do you know? No. We always worry about what? Full forms, full forms, full forms. What is CPU? Central processing unit. Nobody will give job. Zero you are. And you don't feel it. Even if you feel it, what will happen? Nothing will happen. You may feel on me, but tomorrow if you go to an interview, if anybody asks such type of questions, you have to feel that time. And don't feel negative on me. You appreciate me when I'm asking these questions. Now, let's last computer science students. What is DBMS? See, everybody is answering. I have only 10 jobs. To whom I have to give jobs? You explain what is DBMS purpose. Anything you learn real-time purpose. Don't learn full forms. Any faculty teaches full form, they are waste. They are waste. Scrap. Anybody knows full form, including me. When I say full form, scrap. Just scrap. Throw it out. Useless. When I'm explaining DBMS, I have to tell you about in real time, I will use it. In real time, in my project, I use it here. In my project, I use it here. Explain the real time standards. Then only you will get the jobs. That is called real time project implementation. Am I correct? Am I speaking correct or wrong? Come on, students. Did you understand my mindset, my dear students? Did you understand my mindset, students? Right. Don't feel sorry is asking questions in demo session only. Why is asking and saying that only full forms we know. So we must understand first what? Subject. Last and final I will ask. What is HTTP? Very good. Hypertext transfer protocol, only full forms. We are having what? HTTPS. All our websites are using HTTP. Yes, have you seen it? Have you seen it at least? What is that? Yes. How security is done? How it is? Can you write a code and show me? They can't. Yes means security. How security is coming? Can you write a code and show me? Can you open it and can you show me where security is there? It's only for saying purpose. If you go to Infosys or if you go to any company, they will ask you direct, straightforward, HTTPS. What is S? Even I will also say security. How security? Please take the paper and pen and paper and write some algorithm or write some code and then show me. You will get so much of tension. They will ask you what is CPU. Explain about the working functionality of CPU. Explain the working environment of DBMS, working environment of www. General questions, basics. Basics only we don't know. Programming, how you can come to know. You don't feel it. I already know this point because I also came from your stage only now. I was also student now. When my sir was asked in Viva, what is OS? I am the first person to say operating system like you. He said, because of this, nobody will give job. Please improve your subject knowledge. One day we realized. That's why you also need to realize. Are you feeling any negative when I ask these questions? Please feel sportive. I'm here to make you. I know inside of your brain, what is there? Full of full forms. Full of full forms. Am I correct? Yes. What is not there? Subject is zero. Subject is 0. 100% that is. There is no doubt in that. Okay? And you don't feel it. I'm here to sort it out, everything with my Python program, because you are belongs to my Python programming. If you are belongs to my Java, again, Java related explanation is different. Okay, students. Moreover, anybody is to understand number one, this is I tested. So, and you don't feel it. So because of this knowledge, what you have today, after this course is over, you will be the extraordinary king in my area of Python. Whatever subject I teach, you are just a king in that. That also you write on the top of the page. I will take signature of mine. Provided 3 conditions always important. I said, without those 3 conditions, even superpower is coming and explaining, nothing will happen. Without practicing, we will not become perfection. Right, students. Second one is the most important thing, certification. Certification is important. Certification in Python is important. Suppose when I was Java, I have 3 levels or 4 levels of Java certifications I have. From programmer level, designer level, and then analyzing level, 4 levels of Java certifications I have. In Python, only 1 level of certification is available that I have completed in 6 years back itself. So when you have certification, you are a Python certified developer, Python certified programmer, Java certified programmer. It is something like an ID card. You are most eligible to teach Python. Are you getting my point? So how this Python certification questions will come? They won't ask like academics. They won't ask like academics, giving a question paper, list and explain the features of Python, list and explain the features of Java, 20 marks. And you will start writing additionals. You will submit this much of bundle of assignment, answer sheet you will submit. What examiner will do? He will take and putting tick mark and last 40 marks by 100. He will not read. He also student, he was written something. If I take textbook and then your answer sheet, if I see and then correct it, generally will we pass? Tell me, is all of us will pass? Huh? Open discussion is important. Try to sort it out. Will you write exact answers? Never. What we added? Our own spicy we added. We added our own spicy. If you execute your answer in the system according to your concept, if I write a program, my program will execute? System will break. System will collapse. It cannot execute. Because what people teach, what is actually available, is totally different. It is a diluted. And we are reading, especially we are in computer science, we are supposed to read the popular websites, which I will tell in the class. For example, when I go to my Python, I never tell to my students, read any Python textbook. Don't read textbooks of any subject. Don't read textbooks. That's why most of the computer science textbooks are stopped publishing. Now I used to suggest official websites are there from the original source. The father of Python is called Guido van Rossum. They published some type of books. They published some type of documentation. Every day when something is new, they will add that new things to that documentation. That we need to read out. This is an official website of Python. Here documentation is available. So documentation is available. Python docs, we need to read that. Anything I say, I will tell from Python docs. When I read Python docs, if I go to my certification, how the certification is coming? They will give 4 lines of code they will give you, and they will ask you the output. Did you understand what I'm talking? They will give you 4 lines of code. They will give you what? What is an output of that? Theory questions will not come. Anybody teach theory, that is their innocent knowledge. So poor guys will talk about theory, waste. Programming, the moment I speak one's concept, immediate program is required. If I put a dot on my board, I have to show what is the dot in real time. Without programming, if you learn anything, that is just useless. If I speak first sentence, immediately, sir, show the program. Ample of programs you need to learn it. In Python, especially, I'm talking about. Don't read textbooks. I will tell you how to download the documents. And as on today, Python 3.10 is the latest version of Python. I can download from there. That is in my next classes. I will show you how to download Python and all those things. So don't ask me, don't come and ask me, sir, what is the textbook for reading Python? Don't learn. I will give thousands of programming examples in the class. Okay, right. Certification indicates what? They will give you some short code. They will ask you the output. And luckily, companies are asking ABCD options they are giving. If I am conducting exam, I don't want to give options. I will give fill in the blank. I like that. Fill in the blank means what? Exact answer. ABCD means what? What is ABCD? Luck-based exam. I will take one questionnaire and one person is going on the road and I will ask, please keep some tick mark. Keeping tick mark, 24, 25 questions are there. Within 1 minute, he will keep tick mark. He will also get 8 marks. Luckily, he will get something. Easy no Python? 8 marks. Company will take you. When you get 12 marks, you are selected for the technical round. But that person is getting 8 marks. Easy no Python? No. So I don't like that exam, but companies will conduct only that only. That means if you learn 50% of the subject, according to me, if you learn 25% of the subject, automatically you will get 18 to 19 marks in MCQs, multiple choice questions in companies. And I will tell you some tips and all those ways and means how to select the correct answer when you know 25% of the subject. Are you getting? So what is important? To get the certified programmer, you need to have extraordinary code analyzing is required. Interpretation is required. Code interpretation is required. Without code interpretation, we cannot become perfection. Next, third is called what you know, students. Third one is called what you know. Interview skills are required. Interview skills are required, which I am going to give you in the class. Because as a part of my career, I have done so many interviews as an interview panel member, off-campus interviews, on-campus interviews, experienced kind of candidates interviews, what questions will come, how you need to answer, not yes or no questions, not yes or no questions. Some of the students will ask anything, yes sir, no sir, yes sir, no sir. That type of answers, no. You have to give a impressing answers, pleasant answers, technical answers. When they ask anything, you have to give programming examples. Programming examples means he will not ask further questions. Example, I'm asking, write a Python program to generate the calendar of this month. Generate the calendar of this month. Take any person, take some 2 hours, just roam in Amirpet and ask one student, write a Python program to generate a calendar of a particular month. They will struggle like anything. You wait for 2 hours, they can't. In our mobiles, you take calendar, is there or not? How to develop my Python program, how to put it in my mobile? How to develop a Python program and put it into my mobile? I'll just want to show you Python. I will go to my Python 3.10. I just want to show you a little code here. Little code. Import calendar, and then print off calendar dot month of 2022 month number I will give you. Month number I am giving. Is it difficult? No. What is the beauty? Libraries are important. The faculty has to explain what? Libraries. Algorithms has to discuss what is this calendar. It's called a module. I will explain in detail. I want a complete calendar, guys. Complete calendar I want. 2022 calendar I want. Year of 2022 calendar I want. 2022 calendar I want. Sorry. Calendar. Calendar. See the complete calendar. 2022 calendar. Coming or not? Beautiful. I want to generate OTP in our financial transactions, pharmacy level. Anywhere else, OTPs are very important. Na? How to generate OTPs? Take anybody. When you go to real time, these are all important questions for you. How to generate OTP? Take any person. They won't. When I go to SBI ATM, when I am withdrawing 10,000, it will send one OTP to your mobile. Write a Python program to send the OTP from system to your mobile. How to generate it? How to generate automatic OTPs of any kind of financial service in Python? 3 lines I will write it. You take any person, any faculty notes you see that is not visible. Because academic knowledge is totally out of order nowadays. What is important? Technical, real-time knowledge is important. Are you understanding? When I take my mobile, when I take a selfie, some box is coming which is pointing to your face. Na? How to develop using Python? How to develop it? That type of examples you have to learn. Python is not like Python what people teach us. Learn industry Python, not Amirpet Python. My dear students, remember this. By mistake, if you miss my class, one day you will come to my class definitely. Okay, of course, I am not saying that. Yes, because by seeing some of the notebooks, I feel very much emotional. Python in 20 days over. By seeing that, I really feel very much pretty about that student and faculty of that faculty. Nothing is there and Python is over. What the student will do? What are the dreams of the parents? How they will survive? 22 years of candidate, 1 month Python or 20 days Python, he is going for many interviews. He is saying failed. After 6 interviews, he will be disappointed. He will get fear. He will get frustrated to go to the interviews. You will fear everywhere, fail. 22 years. Next life. What is that? Disappointed life. Dear students, please wake up from theoretical knowledge. No. Anything I speak, expect me immediately. Sir, show the program. Everything, minute to minute, programs. That is what is your knowledge. That is what I said. You will become an expert in programming in my class because every minute program. How can I become perfect, sir? You give a small kid, give your mobile, within half an hour, he will play the game or not? Are you training them? No, everything is there inside. Everything is program daily. Will you become an expert in programming or not? That's it. The future of the student depends on the faculty only. I believe very strongly. If the student is not satisfying the three conditions, I can't do anything. But if you satisfy the three conditions, you are an expert. Whether you are mechanical or civil background or BCom student or pharmacy student, whoever you are, don't worry. Zero knowledge in Python, no problem. One more point I will say, this is one important interview skills. And next what I want to say is, I will give extraordinary interview skills in my class. What questions will come also I will give you, but I don't come and ask me, sir, give me FAQs. I'm totally against to it. I'm totally against. FAQs, I will give you, but giving only FAQs, what student will do? If I give 100 FAQs before interview, you will learn only that 100 only. Because we have seen academics, na? Sir will give some 20 important questions. We will concentrate on that only. If sir gives 100 FAQs, you will read that FAQs only. You go to interview, but interviewer may ask, may not ask. If I give complete subject, you are an expert. Let him ask anything. Let him ask anything. You learn like that. You challenge the people. And moreover, in my class, I'm going to explain this programming skills from Leet Code. Have you heard about Leet Code website? No, because it's new to the academic people. Because any company want to conduct the written test or programming skill set, they will take the questions from there. Hackers Rankers, have you heard about it? Hackers Rankers students, have you heard about it, ma? Hackers Rankers, have you heard about it? Yes. Hackers Rankers Earth. Hackers Rankers Earth. Hackers Rankers Earth. From this place also, you will be getting. These are the beautiful code, because in this place, the code challenges will come. Code challenges. Code challenges will come. Code challenges means what? Industry, what issues are coming, those issues we have to write a code. Are you getting my point? What is the first issue I am asking? Write a Python program to prepare my weekly plan. In mobile also is there, na? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. In Monday, first hour, second hour, third hour, how to prepare, how to write a Python program. By saying all these things, you will get more interest. That is what is my class will deals with. First, I will make you to feel more hungry. Then hungry to solve it. Python coding, food I will give you. That will give you ultimate satisfaction, ultimate coding you are. Are you getting what I'm talking? Right. Remember whatever I said. You ask me, sir, you said that one in demo. Please show me that. Without asking, I want to show my expertism in Python, because I want to get good name in your heart. Definitely, I'm going to tell you so many examples for you. Sometime mind-blowing examples I will explain. Fine, students. Now, I will take your mobile number. I will trace it out. Where are you? With Python programming. I will take your mobile number. I will find out which state you are in. I will find out in my system. I will get it. Weather forecasting in Amirpet was the weather forecasting at 11 o'clock. Is it sunny? Is it cloudy? Is it mild? I want to go for weather forecasting. These are all called a data science related algorithms. Understanding, students? Right. Fine. Let us come to the picture. Next, to have these extraordinary programming skills, you need to have this type of websites. Don't go to XYZ website, to PQR website, that website. These are all called just bluffing. Real-time code will not be there in that. In my project, what type of code is required, that is not going to be available in any one of the place. I'll show you that there are so many things to talk with you. Very good. Now, next, what I'm going to say, what is my course? What is my course contains? What is my Python course covers? Python programming covers. I'm going to say this Python programming covers here two things. One is called core Python, that is called part one. Next is called ADV Python, that is called advanced Python. This is called part 2. This is what people are saying it. Advanced Python, core Python. Actually, Python is only one subject. There are no two Pythons like this, because Amirpet people kept one separate names they will keep always. Core Python, advanced Python. Somebody will keep intermediate Python also, like 10th class to intermediate to BTech, like that. So Python is only one. But how many Pythons? Two Pythons. One is core Python and one more is right. Along with that, dear students, I would like to talk about, since as a data science related, you are going to, once you get a job in Python, you are going to become a data scientist. The highest, most royal job, highest paid jobs in the industry now, data scientist. That is your dream. You will definitely achieve it. You can achieve everything by programming only. You can achieve everything by programming only. You will do wonders and miracles only by programming. Even if you are dreaming without programming, dreams remains dreams only. When you are dreaming, I want to become a data scientist. Yes, definitely you will fulfill your dream, but learn what? Extraordinary programming skills you learn. With the programming, everything you can change in your life, guys. Remember that. So to become a data scientist, to learn data science, we are covering in the Python class only NumPy. Have you heard about NumPy? NumPy stands for numerical Python. A small example I want to tell you guys. Look at once. 2x plus 3y. 2x plus 3y is equal to 4. 2x plus 3y is equal to 4. 6x minus 4y is equal to 16. 16. Find x and y. Have you seen in our childhood days? In our childhood days, 6th class, 7th class, simultaneous equations. Seen or not? 3 methodologies are there: substitution method, factorization, and everything. We have done it or not? Might be you forget. I know, by seeing you, I can understand. Because in my PhD, by looking at you, I can measure your capacity like a thermometer. And you don't feel it. Because I like this teaching field along with my regular development. In my PhD, there are 143 face readings are there. Whether student is reading, getting my content or not, having doubt or not, all those things, the students who are in the online, especially I am requesting, once you listen my class carefully, all doubts will be clarified. Because with my 24 years of experience of teaching, I've seen so many number of students in my career, lakhs of students I trained. Micro level doubts, nano level doubts, myself only will raise it. And I will discuss those doubts once again without you are asking. Your doubts will be matching with what I am explaining in the class. So you never get a single doubt. That's why my online students are this many are available in my classes. Both offline and online simultaneously it will continue. That's why these many number of students I am going to gather in my classes, minimum 500 strength. The beauty behind that. So coming to the point where I am now, suppose you take these equations. I want to find x and y. How to find out? If I give a pen and paper, you can't solve it even for 10 minutes also. Even if you solve it, that is going to be wrong. Because already you forget, na? Forget or not? Anybody remembering? Nobody except me only, because I am a daily student. Because the daily teaching means I will remember, na? Daily I will read, I will do it. I will do it within 2 lines. Within 2 lines, you can write this code. How? A complex mathematical calculations can be done with what? NumPy. I will explain in my class NumPy so detailedly. I will explain. Nobody will explain NumPy in Python. If anybody talks, they will explain for half an hour, 20 minutes. But I'll explain so much of content inside of NumPy. Because as a data science, when we are dealing with, we used to talk about lot of algorithms, lot of problem solving skills, lot of use cases, lot of heapstone projects. We are going to take care in that. Next is called what? Pandas. Nothing but panel data. You go to Amazon. Amazon is called one of the e-commerce application development or not? E-commerce applications, you take it. Amazon, you take it. Flipkart, you take it. LinkedIn, you take it. eBay, you take it. All types of this general e-commerce application development. How they are day by day increasing their sales, ma? How they are going to increasing, how they are inventing new sales forecasting mechanisms? Because some algorithms required or not. They need analysis and analytics required. Analysis and analytics required. Such analysis and analytics easily done by using the algorithms present in where? Pandas. I will explain pandas. I will go to Bajaj Electronics. I want to fetch it out. What are the electronic goods? What are the automobile goods? What is the cost of the products which are more than 10,000, less than 10,000? How to query the data? How to analyze the data? How to see the commissions? How to see the profits? How to see the customer offers? How to do it? I'll go for what? Pandas. Nowadays, everything is called what? Online shopping only. How that online shopping applications development is? I'll go for it. And this is what I am going to explain as a part of the Python. Especially in data science, you are going to come across SciPy, scientific Python. Scientific Python. Next is called Scikit. Scikit, scientific Python, Scikit, both of them are collective together. Next is called Matplotlib. 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 It is nothing but what? Graphs. Graphs. Have you heard about XY graph, line graph, bar graphs, pie charts? What, students, are you understanding? Yes. You take India, economy, you take it. Economy, or you take it. In India, agriculture, how much percentage? Technology, how much percentage? And production, how much percentage? I want to see a pie chart. Pie chart I want to see. How to draw the pie chart? It is not possible with any of the other languages. That's why Python is so trending. Why Python is on the top of the layer. I will show one graph also. TIOBE is one of the software quality company has released one type of survey. Dear students, look at that. He has released one type of survey. So TIOBE, it is a software quality company. Software quality company has released some type of survey in the 2022 January. See that Python is going to be up. In January 2021, it is in which rank? Now it is 2022, which rank? Yes, next to which is a ranking. C, and we feel that C is already gone. You already learned C language, right or not? That C language never used for anything else. And you don't feel it. Your C language is not meant for anything else. Zero. That's why to learn this Python programming, I don't want any programming knowledge. You are like my white paper. You are like, I don't want C language, I don't want C++, I don't want Java. I want to be, you are an innocent student. That I will take care of everything. See, Java is coming down. Being a Java professional, I feel very much sad. Java is coming down. Right? Now, see that it is in C is a first in rank in this. Java is in second in rank. Now it is 2022 is what? Like that, I will go for a lot of skills, a lot of things also available. These are called other languages. What is the percentage of this? This is not what is prepared by me. It is a software quality company. It is one of the TIOBE. It is the most popular programming languages created and maintained by what? This software company. So you need to see all realities totally, not just like olden days things and all those things. Come on to students, here I'm going to say. So as a part of our Python, I'm going to say core Python, advanced Python, NumPy and pandas, but not these things I cannot cover. In data science, I will show these others, but in that Python, this is additional part 3 to enhance your further skills to become a data scientist. Are you able to understand me? Are you able to get my points? Right. So this is just related to what you are going to become after learning Python. And one more thing, most important, to learn Python programming. Once again, I'm saying, no need to know any programming knowledge. You don't come and ask me, in this pandemic situation, sir, to learn Python, is it necessary to learn C language? I said, no. If anybody says that I know C language, if you say, I will ask one basic question, you cannot answer. Without asking you, I am telling this, and you don't feel, sir is saying very good, proud voice. Yes, I have seen how many people in my 25 years of experience. When I started my career, you did not born, I hope so. I hope like that. Am I correct? Or maybe any 25 years of student is there. Maybe you are a kid. That time I started in my engineering only, I started teaching. From that time onwards, I am asking a very basic question in C language. Nobody can answer it, including the person who teaches C language also. Industry is different, academics is different. Because as an industry programmer, I am sharing all these things with you. You please take these words as granted. Understanding, students? Yes. That's why no need to have any programming knowledge, just to throw it all tensions outside of the steps. Comes to my class with a peace of mind. I'm the first person to talk to you, to explain you, to make you to write a good program, extraordinary programming. I will explain. You will enjoy like anything. You will become an extraordinary candidate in Python. One day I will open my inbox. 90% of my batch students will get the jobs. 10%, sir, I can't do anything else. Because 3 conditions already I said. They won't satisfy. When you don't satisfy, I cannot come to your home or a hostel or your room to punish you. Because already you are bigger, na? These days, how? If sir is beating the student, parents will come and say, why are you beating my kid? But when we were studying, when parents are not coming, when teacher is beating, because those things, leave it. As on today, no punishment, nothing. I'll go on explaining on only concentration on programming. No more advertisement I will play in the class. Advertisement means you can understand. Something else, unnecessary things discussing in my class is not there. Subject. And the notes which I am explaining, I will give to you in my Google Drive classes. How that I will explain in the class. See, students, how the notes you will get it from my class. This is a big doubt to the online students. Yes, especially to my classes, I will explain completely. My hours is 2 hours. I will tell you, let us show me where I am going to send the notes for you people. It's my Google account. In that account, there is a Google Classroom is there. In that Google Classroom, you will have all my batches. Python 4 p.m., Python 7 a.m., Python 11 a.m., Python 9 a.m., full stack data science, Python 6 p.m., full stack data science 11 a.m. These are the batches. Core Java, again Java, like that. These are all my Google Classroom Drive. Once you join in my class, you will be getting daily the notes will come, programs will come, concepts will come, programs will come. Whenever I upload, it will come to your mail. In your mail, you will download and you will read. In my class, what is my class is dealing with? Next, my class timing is, my course duration, I am going to talk about it. Course duration, I am going to talk about it. It is 3 months. 3 months, and don't fear. BTech how many years? 4 into 365 days. 4 into 365 days. 4 into 3, 1200 days above. Are we getting any subject? Any subject came? Anything came? Openly speak. Anything came? Yes. One thing came. Full forms came. Full forms came. Am I correct? Yeah. When we got a examination how to write, you got a God-given gift is coming. Some question is giving. You can provide your own spicy and you write additionals. You have the God-created gift. When you go to industry, such a type of examinations will not be there. Do you have that? You have requirements. Write a code for OTP generation. You cannot write additionals. Even if I give a big additional, you cannot fill up even 2 lines also. Because spicy adding is not there. Hammering is not there. Only subject. Am I correct, students? Am I speaking truth? Yeah. So ultimately, this entire thing is what? Improve your coding. That's it. That is my ultimate guidance for you. Okay. And one more thing I'm saying to you, this course duration is 3 months. ultimately by covering these three parts. One more thing, BTech 4 years is done, not getting anything. Can't you say 3 months with me to become an expert in the subject? That is your lifetime subject. Somebody will expect it. Sir, can you teach Python in 1 month? For example, some institute is offering for 1 month. What is happening? 1 month means how many days? 30 days. Just one simple calculation I want to share with you. All the online students also keep in mind. 30 days. 30 days. Okay. 30 days. How many Sundays will come? How many days? Come on, quickly. 26 days. How many days you are absent? In 1 month, how many days you are absent? Huh? 3 days. Girls, 3 days. I will take only 1 day because you are most sincere student. 1 day only I will take it. 2 to 3 days absent, that is your personal. I will take only 1 day. How many days? 25 days. Sir will be absent for how many days? 1 day. No. Sincere sir is also not 1 day. Suppose you take me. I did not take leave from the last 6 months onwards. If institute is giving holiday, I may take. If I have any work, I will tell you intimating before. Generally, people will say, if they are not good, little small headache or something, they'll say today class is not there. Like that, a headache definitely will come for the person in a month 2 to 3 times. Definitely, sir will be absent for 2 days. How many days? So Indians will have more number of festivals also. Republic Day, that day, because students are getting more and more devotion towards the nation. So some festivals may be there. How many? One festival is equal to how many days? 22 days. Sir will take how many hours? 10 minutes late, 10 minutes early. Into how many minutes? 40 minutes. 40 minutes into what? 22 days. Please calculate. You will not sleep also. Python completed in how many minutes? 880 minutes by 60. 880 minutes by 60. You will get completed within 12 hours, 13 hours, 14 hours. Python is completed. Will you get a job? Dear students, please aware of it. In my class, I will take 2 hours. Minimum 1 hour 45 minutes I will explain. And you cannot find 1 hour 45 minutes is so early completed like that you will feel. Because everything programming. Programming means people will feel allergy. But I will give it as what? A good fragrance I will bring in Python. Because a lot of skills are required to present the programming skills. Understanding, students? Right. Come on to this calculation. Don't feel it because I'm saying a lot of survey I made. That's why I'm giving this facts in front of you. Right? So my class will be 2 hours daily, 1 hour 40 minutes. That 1 hour 40 minutes is only for you people. You are coming little late. Little late you are coming. That's why I will wait for you because I will come here at 7 o'clock, 7 to 9, 9 to 11, 11 to 1, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8. That is my daily schedule. I never start late. I never come late to the class. On time, I will come to the class. On time, I say good morning to all of you. I say, whatever I said, remember all these things in my rest of the days. In demo hype and coming down, no, my graph will start from 0. I will take you to this Everest mountain. I will show that is only the next industry. I will say, if you fall down, I can't do anything. Fall down means not reading the notes, not practicing, not solving the skills. We will fall down. If you are there, next is industry only. Understand? So today I shared a lot of things with you. What I am, what you are, we cooperatively understand each other. And tomorrow's class, I'm going to start about real-time applications of Python. First topic in the content. First topic in the course I will start. What are the real-time applications I develop with Python programming? Why Python programming first of all? With Python, what type of applications I can develop? I will explain in tomorrow's class. Fine, students? Once again, I am saying, don't raise the doubt. Sir, I don't have any programming knowledge. Can I learn Python? Yes, happily you can learn. No need any programming knowledge. All CSE students, all MCA students, all mechanical students, all civil students, everybody can learn it, including 9th class student also. 8th class student, no. Why? Because statistical programming also I will teach in Python. Mean, mode, standard deviation, variance, multi-mode. Have you heard about all these things? What is the mode? Out of order. I will explain with the calculations, with the purpose. What is the standard deviation? We don't know. But we got a memo also. We passed. Will you pass now? Realize, open your eyes, realize, and don't feel negative on me. Because if I don't ask questions, who will ask? Will your parents will ask? No. If an industry interviewer is asking this question directly, what do you, ours is fail. That time you will feel, why sir did not ask this question in the class? If sir ask in the question in the class, it is a warm-up match. When I go to international match, I am winner of that. Am I correct or not? I will explain statistical programming. All our childhood days mathematics required, and to don't feel that sir to learn this Python mathematics is required. You don't require mathematics. Sir need to know 100% mathematics, because with that skills he will explain the purpose of mathematics. Recently one question in Infosys, 2 plus 3 is equal to how much? 5. How you got it? You don't know. Even our sir also don't know. If he says sir 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, if we ask how you got it, he will take a stick and he will beat us. 2 plus 3, how you got it? I will explain in the class. With binary bits, I will explain. With binary bits. 2 convert into binary, 3 convert into binary, add the binary bits. Internally that is done with binary bits only. How it is done? I will explain. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. How? Product rule is applied. What is the product? Binary bits multiplication. How it is done? I will tell you. If we go to interview, how to answer it very perfectly, we will go for it. That's what I said. Interview skills, programming extraordinary skills, certification skills are required. These things are there. With the programming knowledge, we are the first person to get the job. Otherwise, no jobs. Especially I'm talking about the development aspect. Understand? Yes. And don't feel that I don't know programming. Will I get programming? You don't feel by yourself as a substandard student. I am telling na. I will take most worst student. I will pick up most worst student. I need that student only. I will pick it up. I'll put it in my class. I'll polish them. Definitely they are ultimate. Provided 3 conditions. Always 3 conditions. Reading, punctuality in attending the class, and solving my programming examples. If you don't do other thing, even if I jump here and there, feeds, many feeds if I do, if you don't do that feeds, my feeds time is waste. Am I correct? Yes. So by keeping all these things in the mind, I motivated you. What is the need of learning Python? I told you TIOB index I shown you. What is the quality of the software companies are preferring nowadays? And I'll show you which companies are using Python also. I will show you in the next class. Okay, students, shall we stop the class? And tomorrow, 9 o'clock, every day with the same link. All the students who are in the online, same link you join at 9 o'clock, we will be entering into that. And all the students in the online, listen very carefully. You will get perfect knowledge and every doubt will be clarified in the class, because subject is not started so far. Only thing is just motivation, and then orientation is just started. In the next class, we are going to discuss about complete program, complete subject only I will explain. Real-time applications of Python. Still any friends are there, please intimate them and attend from the beginning of the lecture and listen very carefully. You never get a single doubt. Shall we stop the students? Shall we stop the class? Yes. And once again, I am saying, no need to have any prerequisite to learn Python. No need to know any programming knowledge. Everything is myself. Story, direction, fighting, melody, song, direction, screenplay, everything is myself only. I want your skeleton, that's it. Fresh mind is required. I will open your mind. I will inject Python notes. Python subject I will inject. First I will remove the virus. I will remove virus. Antibodies I will inject first. Later I will put my Python subject. That will give you long life. Whatever I said, remember I said. up to my last class of the demo. What sir said in demo, last day also you make me to remember, because I will fulfill these things in my middle of the classes only. Okay, na? Right. So in the classes, I used to talk about some little project related information also. You see my other these things. If you come to this place here, if you come to my places, I used to talk about different type of applications also I will explain. So if you come to my full stack data science related things, ATM coding, ATM application project also I'm going to explain. So you need not ask specially, sir, will you explain real-time project? First of all, who will give real-time project for you? Suppose I am developing one project in my company. Will I explain that project in the class? If anybody says that I am explaining real-time project, you ask one question to that guy. Who is the client of that project? They will bluff it. Who is the client of that project? Will they tell? You ask them, will you give client certificate? Will you give client certificate? The client will pay crores of rupees to the company, they will develop. But in the here, they will give the free of cost to the project. Will anybody give free of cost? These are all called what? False promises. That's why any application, learn perfectly, you will develop the project like anything. You keep that faith in this class and you will get it perfectly. I will explain all these things in the class. Nothing to worry in my class. Okay, students. So we understand each other. Tomorrow's class, any friends, online, offline, whoever is there, intimate, and you will get in my class. Tomorrow, I will enter into what is the concept tomorrow? Real-time applications using Python. So subject will start in tomorrow itself. No more delay. Directly, I want to start the subject. Okay, na? So 3 months, solid explanation. Part 1, part 2, part 3. Some additional topics also I said, NumPy and Pandas also I will explain. Okay, right. All the best. Good luck and stay safe and don't roam here and there. Please wear mask when you are sitting in my class. Sit with a physical distance and try to follow my guidelines. Okay, students, shall we stop the class? Right. Tomorrow, what is the time? 9 o'clock. We'll enter into the class. Okay. Thank you. Good day.